Hello and welcome to Wednesday morning's update from the Met Office. More soggy scenes as we start off Wednesday. Rain for many parts of the country, but there is a trend to drier, brighter and eventually colder weather by the end of the week. This is in store for later this weekend. High pressure at last bringing widespread sunshine and dry conditions for most of the UK. But for the next 24 hours we've got low pressure and a fairly deep low at that, with fairly complicated weather fronts wrapped around it, bringing outbreaks of rain or showers to many places for Wednesday morning. It's a bit of a mess first thing. Many places getting wet, persistent rainfall for the north of Scotland, heavy showers elsewhere, and the showers at their heaviest perhaps across southwest England, South Wales. Tricky conditions during the Wednesday morning rush hour. And of course those showers come on top of saturated ground, and some places will get 30 mils of rainfall through Tuesday into Wednesday. We don't want that sort of thing. Yellow warning in force could cause localised flooding. Another place at risk for Wednesday is the east and northeast of England, where, yet again, saturated ground and the rainfall becoming persistent during Wednesday morning into the afternoon. 40 mils possible over the higher peaks of North York Moors, for example, yellow warning in force. Further north, brighter, dry conditions for the south and west of Scotland, Northern Ireland as well. Some sunshine here, but cloudy skies for the north of Scotland. And the damp weather that we begin the day with, well, pretty much sticking around all day, driven in on a strong wind. The wind blustery as well for southern counties of England. So that's not going to make it feel particularly mild, but technically temperatures are above average for the time of year. More unsettled conditions to come through Wednesday evening. You can see all these showers just circulating around the area of low pressure, which is by now into the North Sea. More persistent wet weather continuing for the east of England as well as the north of Scotland. But all of it is slowly petering out during Wednesday night and into the start of Thursday as the low moves away and as northerly winds dig down across much of the country. You can see the blue colours arriving, Arctic air turning up by the final few days of autumn. Following a wet autumn for many places, of course, we need some drier conditions. And Thursday is the day of change. We've got still some areas of rainfall to contend with across northern and central parts of England. Showers continuing for Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest. But slowly but surely, we're going to see the weather dry up and brighten up through the course of Thursday. Sunnier skies pushing into northern Scotland, albeit with a few showers here. And with colder air in place, well, here we're likely to see some sleet and snow over the higher ground, as well as, by the end of Thursday, a widespread frost for Scotland. Into the weekend, that frost extends southwards. A cold start to the weekend, but plenty of crisp, blue skies kind of weather. And into Sunday, high pressure brings widely dry and settled weather. Finally, 1st of December, the weather becoming a bit more crisp, but also dry. You can, of course, find more details on the Met Office social media channels and via the Met Office app. Bye-bye.